Good rising, family. Good rising. Black Phoenix checking in right now. I'm outside of mom's house and want to give you a few updates. I actually got all of my equipment. Well, I ain't gonna say equipment, but materials. I got a lot of materials in the inside. Have a garage door there, and we're gonna be blocking off that side. We got some sheetrock to do, painting. It's a lot of things to do. And I can't lie, family. This morning, for some reason, I am feeling a little overwhelmed. I think that is part of it though. When you get ready to tackle a new project and you trying to figure out where to start, what you need to correct, what you need to do, putting finances together, things can be a little tedious sometimes. So this morning I'm feeling a little overwhelmed. Just got a lot on my mind. Didn't really rest real good, but I'm back here. I'm back on it, and I'm got a few things I need to figure out. So we did get, like I say, all the materials in. I got the trailer here. It made it good standing, as you see. Didn't have any issues. I'm glad I built it. Like I say, I should be able to kill several birds with one stone with this trailer, but the goal was to get it where I can be able to make money. So I got everything here now. And like I said, we're gonna be doing a few things to it. I left enough room back here so I can get into the storage room because I got some stuff in there. But I'm gonna pull the trailer up when I need to put stuff in there. But I left an opening on this other side so we can get into this door. Nope, won't be no problem. We can open that door all the way up. That's where all the material is, and we'll be throwing stuff away in here. I don't know. I might end up having it, parking it directly in the yard, like right here, and leaving it parked so that way we can pull stuff in. But right now though, we're gonna leave it under here when we're not using it. We'll probably pull it out when we're using it. But like I say, family, I got a few things to do. It has been real. I can say that. It has been real. I can most definitely say that. But like I said, this morning I'm just feeling a little overwhelmed just with what all I got to do, what all I'm trying to do, what all I need to do, all the above. So shout out to my homie Al. He actually came by. He actually stopped through. And I've been knocking the yard. My goal is to put all this trash stuff that's in the yard on the trailer too, and haul that off somewhere. Get it hauled off. Get all this trash, all this stuff that don't need to be in the yard. Just miscellaneous stuff. But like I say, we ain't got majority of it down, as you see. So it's a lot better than what we had. You kind of see what we're working with. So we got some solid. So my goal is also to put gutters on both sides to make this rain run back, and then have some trenches to make it run all the way down to the alley. So that's another project, but that's most definitely going to put the drains on there to keep it from getting so much wet on the side where the foundation is. Helps the foundation out a lot. Even with the rain, we need to get it away from it where it won't sit there all the time. But I'm glad we got it down. We kind of see what we got. A nice yard. My goal is to put a double fence there so I can drive in the back. So we'll be doing that. It's an alley right there that goes all the way through here. So utilize that. And hey, I think everything gonna be all right. They got a bucket truck over there now doing some work. Look like they're doing some tree work over there. But we got able to knock all of my trees down that was around the house. Now we just got some work to do, family. We got some repairs to do. Here, fixing this, clipping it back in, tightening it up, fixing the pieces, all that good stuff. The satellite stuff, so it's still hooked up. There's like two of them over here. I don't even deal with satellite, but my sister, when she was here, she was. So she got a disc already up here. I don't even. So as you see, we got a lot to do though. A lot to do, family. But you got to start somewhere. But like I can't lie and say I'm a little overwhelmed this morning. I ain't gonna say discouraged. Just got a little overwhelmed. I ain't gonna say full of discouraged, but got a lot on my plate. So I appreciate the prayers, support, the donations everybody been sending and helping, man. I appreciate it. It's a lot, but we got something, and our goal is to bring Mama House back to life. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So stay in tune, family. Stay in tune, and we're gonna be getting a hog on over here. I'll be giving you some updates. But this morning, I'm most definitely feeling a little overwhelmed. I can't lie. Hold on.